Kuda kwashe Tagwirei, the controversial oil tycoon, presidential ally, and alleged architect of grand-scale corruption in Zimbabwe, is now accused of deepening his ties with the military as part of a calculated power play to position himself for political office. Sanapenda mashoko kunzi Tagwirei panguva ine obraiba vemauto noti wasubscribe like on the bell icon. Timna mnamobulani kwamchinze last week. Tagwirei orchestrated a high-profile event in Masvingo under the guise of a youth empowerment and the land tenure program, but behind the scenes, the gathering served as a soft launch of his political ambitions, an ambition reportedly enjoying the quiet endorsement of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, much to the chagrin of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. In a telling development, the wife of Presidential Guard, Commander Brigadier General Fidelis Monda Nyasha Monda, was a key figure in organizing the event. Sources said she handled critical logistical arrangements and managed the guest list. Nyasha Monda was visibly present at the function, wearing a beret emblazoned with ED Mnangagwa's initial, cementing suspicious that the president is backing Tagwirei's quiet power grab. Further controversy surrounds claims by outspoken war veteran Blessed Nesugeza, who recently alleged that Tagwirei is paying Brigadier General Monda a staggering $25,000 per month for protection. The allegation suggested that Zimbabwe's security apparatus is now on the payroll of an unelected businessman who is using state machinery to entrench the political interest. The event held under the banner of the Land Tenure Implementation Leadership Success Series program was attended by senior government and ZANU-PF officials, including Masvingo Minister of State Ezra Chazamira. Toma shikwaruda panguva ine arikuonekwa kunzi kuda Tagwirei panguva ine arikuonekwa kunzi aiwa arikubekewa neve mauto panoonekwa this lady anonzi Nyasha Monda aiwa anova a figure with the military ndiye aionekwa kunzi ndiye akaorganize that event aiwa achimeka sure kuti yava a success and ichionekwa kunzi iri kubekewa nemutungamiri wenyika zvionekwa kunzi this is the ascension iri kuitiwa naTagwirei active politics. Tudze mafungiro enyu motodipa pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Mina komesi kichimeduze mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.